In today's video, I will teach you how to add an aesthetic vintage film effect using Photopea. Let's get started. First, open Photopea in your browser. Then go to File, then Open, and choose the photo that you want to edit. Now go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, then select Color Lookup. Now choose a 3D LUT that gives your image a warm and aged look. Then adjust the opacity of the layer if needed to control the intensity. Now go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, then Gradient Map. Then click on the Gradient Preview to open the Gradient Editor. Then use a soft and warm color like light orange or beige on the highlight end and a desaturated blue or green on the shadow end. Then change the Gradient Map's blending mode to soft light or overlay for a more subtle look. Then lower the opacity if the effect is too strong. Now go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, then Curves. Now we're going to create an S-curve. Lift the shadow point slightly and bring down the highlights just a bit to soften the contrast. This creates a faded vintage look. Now move the mid-tone point slightly upward for a brighter and softer look if needed. Now we're going to add a film grain. Go to Filter, then choose Filter Gallery. Then choose Grain under Textures. Then adjust the parameters to your preference. Now we're going to add a subtle blur for authenticity. Right-click on the final group layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Now go to Filter, Blur, then Gaussian Blur, and apply a subtle blur of about 0.5 to 1 pixel to soften edges slightly, mimicking the softer focus of vintage film cameras. If needed, reduce the opacity of individual adjustment layers to fine-tune the effect. Then go to File, then Export As, and choose your desired file format such as JPEG or PNG. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.